Gate 6. Fire at Gate 6.
Now departing Lunar Space Station. There are many legends about the composition of the moon, and I have to tell you, it's not made of cheese. We believe that years ago, a planet collided with Earth, and a huge fragment broke off to form what you see before you. In fact, the lunar landscape's an enormous dead rock, devoid of air and water. As the moon rotates as it goes around the Earth, we will be traveling towards the sun, almost at the speed of light. But don't worry, please stay in your seat and touch nothing.
Attention, Explorer. 20 seconds to launch. 10 seconds. Launch imminent. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boosters go.
We are now picking up speed in the hyperdrive tunnel. It's dangerous to accelerate so quickly, but Explorer is designed to resist gravitational pull and radiation. Soon into the sun 1.3 million times. The sun, composed almost entirely of hydrogen gas, glows like a furnace. The granules are formed by rising heat currents, and the sunspots are located on the cooler part of the surface, where the magnetic field blocks the gas from surging into the galaxy. The red flare glowing on the edge is the solar prominence. That was close. Let's get out of here. We are now passing Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It's extremely hot and there's no atmosphere. See all those comets are part ice, part gas, with dust and rock fragments thrown in. That wonderful tail is created by the solar wind. When a comet gets too close to the sun, it will fragment or even self-destruct. The sun's heat in the vacuum of space create geysers and can even change the course of the comet. Amazing! See the Mars satellites? They look just like potatoes. And do you see the polar cap of Mars? It shrinks and expands during Earth-like seasons. Mars appears red in color because of the high concentration of iron oxide in the rocks. There's water on Mars too, but whether life exists or not is still a mystery. And that is the Mount Olympus volcano, which is 3 times higher than our own Mount Everest.
Wow.
Ceres mining colony on screen.
We are now passing through the asteroid belt. The gravitational pull of Jupiter prevents large quantities of matter from solidifying. With nowhere else to go, this matter has forever been trapped between Mars and Jupiter to form the asteroid belt. The size and shape of asteroids vary a lot. Hey, listen.
Are you feel scared?
Hyperdrive activated.
Wow.
An excellent test of our radar's REV3X anti-collision program. We've made it to Jupiter. This giant planet is 1,300 times bigger than Earth.
Warning, exterior radiation level high.
See that great red spot? It's a huge storm. Charged particles in Jupiter's magnetosphere knock ions out of the volcanic plumes from its satellite to form the brilliant huge ring called plasma torus.
Gravitomagnetic anomaly detected on Europa. Adjusting course.
Look, amazing! We are witnessing a total solar eclipse generated by Jupiter's fourth sun. We are now looking at the smoothest body in the solar system, a moon encased in ice and rock. Believe it or not, the ridges and fissures in the ice fields are formed by the tides. Whoa, a stargate! This could propel us to anywhere in the universe.
Initiating search for known pulsars.
Let's see, where are we now? Our system is searching for pulsars, beacons that help us find our bearings in deepest space. As I thought, we've just crossed the Milky Way galaxy and arrived at a rocky satellite lying to what here looks like a
Sophia. Welcome, Earthlings. I am in command. We have a red supergiant ready to explode into a supernova. Do not be alarmed. We are closely monitoring the situation and are ready to evacuate. We will modify your craft and download the necessary data and navigation charts to your system
Here looks
to
like
help you return home.
In fact, stars are also born, and they age and die. Before finally extinguishing, a star grows to massive proportions, known as a red giant. As fuel diminishes, the nucleus of a star shrinks. It then explodes into a supernova, a magnificent spectacle brighter than 1 billion suns.
System resetting. Completing.
我们在爱丽安的ship里面。
Countdown to evacuation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
我们要结束旅程了。
3, 2, 1. New location. Milky Way galaxy near Orion
That was
Nebula.
close. Having experienced the death of a star, we are lucky to see the birth of new ones. Over billions of years, gravitational forces draw stellar gases and dust clouds together to form clusters of dense nebulas, which continue to collapse, forming protostars. When their nuclear reactions become stable, these protostars will become proper stars. Look,
Yes.
there's home.
10,000 light
Our
years
galactic
from Earth.
system, the Milky Way,
Warning.
is spiral in
Strong
shape.
attraction force
Our
with
solar
anomaly.
system is situated
Intense
in one of
X-ray
its
and
main
gamma
spiral
radiation
arteries,
detected.
about 30,000 light years away from the galactic center. Oh no, I think we're being sucked into a black hole.
黑洞
Don't，panic. We'll get through it thanks to our protective hyperspace bubble. You know, a black hole is just a stellar body developed after the extinction of singularity. All matter, including light, will be powerless to escape from it. Perhaps gravitational projection can help to accelerate the explorer. Let's try.
Initiating unknown pulsars. New location, Mars.
我们要去 Mars 了。是到了吗？可能到了哦。到家了。为什么？到了呀。有 virus，a virus，a virus。Yes, a virus.
Decontamination in progress.